Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.5, Problem 4. This is Section 1.5, Problem 4. It says round 1 million to the nearest thousand. So first, identify the digit to which you want to round. So 1,000 is the zero that is just to the left of that first comma. So the first zero is the ones position, the next zero is the tens position, the zero after that is the hundreds position, and then we have thousands position. And I picked that because the question says round to the nearest thousand. So now the digit that is one position to the right of the one that we are rounding is a 0. So for 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, this digit would get zeroed out. Everything after it turns into a 0, and the digit you're rounding to stays the same. Well, in this case, 1 million rounded to the nearest thousand is still 1 million. The digits to the left would stay anyway. This, if the number to the right of it is big enough, the digit in the position we're rounding would go up to the next biggest, which would be 1. But the digit to the right of it is not big enough, so it stays the way it is, which is a 0. And then when you round, everything after the position you're rounding to turns into zeros anyway. So the answer stays 1 million. 1 million rounded to the nearest thousand is still 1 million.